I went over to my daughter's house for Christmas for a short visit. And when I was there, I was looking at all the wonderful projects she has put together and done recently for Christmas. If you want to be amazed and see some great DIY projects for Christmas, zip over there to Blossom Your Creativity and see what she did. If you'd also need to check out some of these wonderful projects that she has recently put together. But don't forget, starting next week, we're going to have all kinds of new wonderful creative ideas starting with the new year. So don't forget to go check out Blossom Your Creativity and make sure that you stay to the end of the video and see what project she has completed that I'm sharing with you, that I saw when I was over at her house. Oh my, she did some beautiful, beautiful, creative things, all on a budget. Well, this is a Christmas shout out for Blossom Your Creativity. This is the channel that my daughter runs. Oh my gosh, she does a wonderful, wonderful job. If you love DIYs, you need to go check out how she does these videos and what she puts together. And she's done some beautiful, beautiful displays. She's a lot better at putting her videos together than I can also. So, if you want a lot of Christmas inspiration, go over and check out some of her Christmas videos. But don't just stop with that. We're starting a new year, and start coming over and checking out what she's going to share in the future. She does an awesome good job with everything she does. And I went over to her house and she shared some of her wonderful DIYs that she did this Christmas season. But if you want to see them all, watch these videos. She joins in on a lot of challenges, and she does a lot of creative ideas that you can put together on a budget for not very much money. She'll show you from the beginning to the end how she puts them together. Here's a napkin, one that she joined in for Winter Wonderland. You need to run over and check this one out. You'll be amazed at what she was able to do with the napkin exchange. And here's another one of her challenges she joined in. You need to get over there and check these out. She's done a wonderful, wonderful job. And she has some great friends and joins in with some great challenges. And lots of creative ideas. And here's another one of her videos. 3 winter DIY projects. Winter in my mind. Oh my, you want to see some creative, budget-friendly ideas? Get over there and check them out. But don't forget, we're starting a new calendar year. And I'm sure this coming year she'll even have some more fabulous things to share.
And here are the ice skates that Debbie put together. Are they not the cutest things? She got them at Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree.
And this is one side. Now we're going to turn it over, show you the other side.
That's a napkin. I adhered to the ice skate.
Did you hear that? She did it with napkins. Can you believe it? And what with the little fake fur?
That is a chamois that you clean your car with.
Oh,
from the Dollar Tree.
Learn something new every day. And the little rhinestones?
They were from this place called Dazzle It Up, but you can get those anywhere.
Okay. Oh no, look at this, turned over. And that was a napkin too?
Yep.
Another napkin. Aren't they the cutest things?
And then that wood snowflake was already on the ice skate. We just removed it and it broke, but I was able to fix it, so.
Oh, it's so pretty. Well, we know who to come and see if you want to get inspiration for DIYs.
If you want to see how I made the complete ice skate, you just go watch the video.
Tell them your channel name.
Blossom Your Creativity.
And we'll make sure we do a shout out.